This is a special edition broadcast from the Irish Roots Cafe. Today we have another very special interview we've done with the Everyday Irish, and it all happens at the Brown's Irish Festival. Brown's happens to be the oldest Irish-run business in North America. Heck, and I think it's South America and maybe even the world. They're still waiting for final judgment on that, but I know of no one older and better to go find what the Irish heritage was like generations back. So we've got a series of 10 interviews developed that we took at the last year's festival, and we hope you enjoy it. And it's going to include the Irish, the non-Irish, and the kings and paupers and thieves and just the whole lot, the whole range of the Irish. So I hope you enjoy it. It coming to you from the Irish Roots Cafe at www.irishroots.com. And I'm Mike OLaughlin. Here's today's interview. Okay. Hey. Here we are. We're just taking a break here. There's the big stuff starting to come in, all those big bands. I think it's Scythian or somebody. And what we're looking for here is introduce yourselves, might say who you are in the community, and if you have any memories of Brown's Market or the neighborhood and what it's been like or what it's meant to the community.
I'm Bill Quin with the Ancient Order of Hibernians and Irish Northern Aid and Parade Committee. And I guess the one memory I have of Brown's is my grandmother and great aunt used to live up the street on 3456 Penn, and I was walking up here to the store one time to get it, and I was about 8 years old, and I saw right here on this corner, right here at 34th, I saw a thing that still resonates with me today. I can't get over it. About an 8 or 9 year old girl was kicking the living crud out of a 8 or 9 year old boy, and I never thought that was popular or possible. I just didn't think it would happen. But
did you straighten up after that?
I crossed the street to get out of the way. Yes, I did, but I remember that, and it was great. And the other thing was, Ed Brown was so nice. My grandmother, as she got older, she lost a little, memory and what have you. And of course, they delivered free. And she took to calling up about 6 times a day. And she'd order maybe a package of toilet paper, and then she'd call back and get some salt. And finally, I had to call my dad and say, "Hey, Bill, we don't mind, delivering, but if you could just talk to your mom and make sure that she that was my dad, Bill, make sure that she orders as much as she can at once. But it won't matter. We'll still deliver." And I'm sure they did. And
hey, you think we can get them to reinstate that policy? It seemed to have been a real popular memory.
I'd love it. I'd like to see John McCain showing up at my door about 8 times a day with a roll of toilet paper or a deal of salt. Yes.
That's right. Well, that's the end of today's interview with the Everyday Irish here at Brown's Irish Festival. Each year they have an anniversary party, and each year it gets better. And we've got a series of interviews trying to show the history of the Irish, maybe just like it was in your town, but see what you listen to and what you like, and come back for more. We've got several more interviews coming up, so stay tuned for those. Thanks. This is Mike at www.irishroots.com at the Irish Roots Cafe.